What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. If you have a synthetic wig that you're just tired of, it's tangled, you don't want to deal with it, stop and watch this video, and I promise I'm going to show you how to revive it. So first things first, you're going to want to detangle your wig from bottom to top. Here I am using a powder brush, but you can use a wig brush, a powder brush, or anything of that nature. And you're just going to want to continue this process all throughout your wig until it basically looks like this. In this clip, my wig is basically all brushed out and combed out and mostly tangled free, and she's about to be ready to wash. So I'm just basically putting shampoo into some hot water in the bathtub. You can use the stove or the boiling method. I'm just going to use some hot water in the bathtub just because this wig is so long and it doesn't need to be that hot since it is synthetic. Now I'm just slowly submerging and removing the wig from the water. I'm not bunching the hair up together because I do not want the wig to tangle. Synthetic wig is very prone to tangling, and it is more difficult to untangle than human hair, wigs, or any other type of hair. So basically what you're just going to do is spray your leave-in conditioner if you have any, and also all of the products that I will be using will be in the description box below. They're very affordable, all under $10. I mean, you can get them at your local Walmart, you can get them at your local beauty supply store. So after I spray my leave-in conditioner, I just go in with my Silicone Mix Shampoo. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers use the Silicone Mix. It's the same thing. I just like the shampoo because, I don't know, it squeezes out easily. So once you're done with that, you're just going to towel dry and then put your wig on your mannequin or whatever you're using and just detangle for a second time while the wig is dripping wet. After that, while the hair is damp, I went in with my Lotta body setting lotion. If you don't know what that is, it's basically, honestly, I would say liquid hairspray. You don't need too much, just a few drops. Work it through your hands and then continue to just work it through the wig. And like I said, you don't want to overdo it. You're just going to let it air dry. And I like to do this while it's damp. Don't do it while it's dry. And don't do it while it is completely wet. But once your wig has completely dried, I chose to just let my wig air dry because I think that works best for synthetic wigs. You go in with your straightener a few times, and I mean, after you're done, this is what it looks like. I mean, I was very impressed with how this wig took heat since it's so cheap, and I mean, it's synthetic. I mean, this was literally a Halloween wig from Walmart. Look at that body, look at that movement, look at that shine. I would have thought that this was a human hair wig if I saw it. So here I am. I've added bangs, I've styled it, I've dolled it up. And if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.